And now, your first alert weather.
Well, the unsettled, gloomy weather keeps on rolling for tonight. There is some good news. We'll try to squeeze in some sunshine tomorrow afternoon, but it's still going to remain pretty chilly and breezy. Right now in Idaho Falls, we have 30 degrees with a partly cloudy outlook. The sun is setting. Winds 21 miles an hour, gusts still approaching 30. And you can still see mainly cloudy conditions in Pocatello. And throughout the day, we've had a few snowflakes coming through the region. Even Idaho Falls getting a few flurries. 29 degrees with winds at 21 miles per hour. That's at the Pocatello Airport just west of town. East of the Tetons into Jackson, the town square is lit up in the Christmas lights. 26 degrees, winds at 9 miles an hour. And over to Salmon, a little clearing at the airport with temperatures right now into the upper 20s and light winds out of the north at 7 miles an hour. Early this morning, late last night, we did have a bit of some snow getting into areas around the southern highlands, the southeastern mountains of Idaho, moving into southwestern Wyoming as a system took aim at Utah. It's still snowing pretty good in that direction tonight, especially as you're getting along the I-15 corridor and the Wasatch Front there. Once you get south of Tremont and towards Brigham and all the way through Ogden and further south into Salt Lake, you are seeing at times some difficult driving conditions on the roads there, but we are seeing just a touch of the snowy weather still hanging out here locally. Tonight, we still have a few pockets of snowfall in southeastern Idaho and western Wyoming. We're also getting a bit of some snow in places like Island Park tonight. But we have another push of wet weather for Friday and a deeper Pacific system on the way for this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday for the approaching week here. So for tomorrow, we have one system exiting the region, a little weak system moving in for Friday. We are expecting to see some snow tonight off of that, not much. Then we have that deeper area of moisture that's going to get in here by Sunday. Here's a look at that on Vipercast. Tonight at around 10 o'clock, we have a chance for some snow coming through. So snow coming through later tonight, and you can see it starting to wrap into places like Idaho Falls and then as far south as Bingham County. Could even see a little bit of snow in Pocatello late tonight, early tomorrow morning. Most of that's going to be into the southeastern highlands. We also have a chance for snow tomorrow morning in areas of central Idaho. These snow showers are scattered and isolated. We're not expected to pull in a lot of snow. The sun's going to come out tomorrow afternoon for most of us. It's going to be breezy and cold outside, even with the sun. Then we start seeing this wet weather approaching from the west coast for Saturday. A touch of mountain snow for Saturday morning, and then we'll pick up on more widespread snow and rain showers, mostly snow at this point, coming in for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Snowfall amounts for tonight, this is the tonight storm, could put down a bit of accumulation in areas of the Snake River Plain. Not a major storm, but enough to make things just a little slick in the morning commute. So we have a chance of snow tonight. We have partly cloudy conditions for Friday afternoon and winds at 10 to 15 tomorrow with gusts around 25. Again, there is a chance of snow tonight, especially as you roll further north in the Snake River Plain. Temperatures around 30 in Preston, 30 in McCammon, 27 in Soda Springs, and the same for Lava. Highs in Rexburg at 30 tomorrow with 29 in St. Anthony, 23 for the high in Island Park, and 24 for the high in Jackson. Still pretty cold outside after yesterday's cold front. 32 in Salmon, 29 in ARCO with highs in the Snake River Plain, topping off low 30s across the valley with lows tonight back into the 20s. Check out your 8-day forecast. We'll start with Salmon tonight. Notice that temperatures will be in the low 30s for tomorrow, upper 30s on Saturday. We'll pick up on that wet weather Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and another cold front rolls in on Wednesday, dropping in even some colder air. Jackson, a high of 24 for tomorrow. Chance of snow. We'll see scattered snow showers rolling in here for the weekend with a partly cloudy outlook on Saturday, but staying pretty chilly, highs into the low 30s. Back into the 30s and 40s, however, with the arrival of that wet weather Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and that continues all the way through the late part of next week. We go into areas of Rexburg, highs in the lower 30s tomorrow. Barely below freezing for the afternoon high. We'll see 33 for Saturday, upper 30s, lower 40s with rain and snow next week and more wind to boot. Blackfoot 35 for the high Saturday, 40 for Sunday. Scattered snow and rain showers Monday and Tuesday with a cold front that's going to drop in some really chilly air by Wednesday. Pocatello, your 8-day forecast, 32 and 36, making up your Friday and Saturday afternoon. We'll have a little sunshine, like I mentioned, in the afternoon hours for Friday and Saturday, with showers to follow Sunday afternoon through Monday and Tuesday. Idaho Falls, we have partly, mostly cloudy conditions tonight, chance of snow tomorrow morning. Highs right around freezing. We'll be back up to 35 on Saturday, 40s for next week, and we'll have off and on rain and snow all the way through Tuesday, Wednesday, even through Thursday, with some gusty winds and cold air getting back in there for Thursday and Friday. Todd, Bree?
Well, when we come back, the latest unemployment numbers. have been released by the U.S. Department of Labor, and they are some of the lowest.
This Sky